Right. So Google's just launched a brand new app called Google Health. And the big idea, it's your whole wellness life in one place, steps, heart rate, sleep, the lot. With a new AI coach built in. Sounds great. But here's the thing. It's quietly replacing both Fitbit and Google Fit. So before you get excited, let me show you what's actually going on here. Because here's the first twist. Google Health isn't really new. It's the Fitbit app, same thing underneath, just rebranded. You can literally try it right in the Fitbit preview. What is happening is both Google Fit and the old Fitbit app are being retired and folded into this one. Don't panic about the Fitbit name though. That lives on. It's still the brand on the actual devices. Now, here's the new bit. Google Health Coach. It's an AI that reads your activity, your sleep, your goals, and actually talks to you. If you slept badly, skipped your run, it'll suggest a walk at lunch and log it for you. The catch is it's part of Google Health Premium, about a tenner a month. But here's the good thing. If you already pay for Google AI Pro or Ultra, you get it for nothing. But this is where it gets frustrating. If you don't own a Fitbit or a Pixel Watch, the new app is stripped right back compared to old Google Fit. Fit tracked over 100 activities automatically. Google Health, step counting, and 4 manual activities. That's it. No auto detection, no detail, no heart points. So for phone-only users, you've actually lost features, even if you're paying for premium. And you can see why everyone's skeptical. This is Google we're talking about. The company with a literal graveyard of dead apps. There's Fit, Hangouts, Allo, Duo, Google Plus. The running joke is give it a month before Google kills it on privacy fair play. Your Fitbit data stays walled off from ads, and using it for research is opt-in, but the trust, that's been burned a few too many times. So here's the bottom line. Google Health is basically the same app with a fresh coat of paint. The AI coach is the real new feature, and it's a nice bonus if you're already paying for Google's AI. But without a tracker, it's a bit bare. And Fitbit lives on as the gadget brand. My advice, don't rush. Wait and see if this one actually sticks.